The equation of a circle is x squared plus y squared minus 12y plus 20 is equal to 0. What are the coordinates of the center and the length of the radius of the circle? So in order for us to go through this, we have to understand how the equation of a circle is generated to begin with, right? So a circle are a set of points that are all uniformly equal in distance away from a common point. And we refer to that distance there r as the radius. The center here has coordinates of h comma k, and the points on the circle have coordinates of x comma y. So how do we describe this relationship between the points on the circle and the center of the circle? Well, the way in which we go about this is we use the distance formula, or the Pythagorean theorem. So we take x minus h, quantity squared, plus y minus k, quantity squared, and set that equal to r squared. This is just the Pythagorean theorem. All right, so what we want to do is we want to turn x squared plus y squared minus 12y plus 20 equal to 0 into an equation that looks like the template that I just wrote up above here. So to do this, okay, I want to bring over the constant, which is 20, to the right-hand side, and I am going to try to complete the square on the left-hand side. So I'm going to leave myself a little room, equal to negative 20 here. So this, what I'm about to do is I'm going to turn all the terms there that have a y variable in it into a trinomial that is a perfect square. X squared here is already a perfect square, so I don't need to do anything. So how am I going to complete the square here? And again, if you are unclear about how to complete the square, I encourage you to look at the videos related to completing the square. That is also in the lesson series. And what you want to do is you want to take the middle coefficient there, half it, and square it. So take 12, divide by 2, and that will be 6. You square that, you get 36. So I want to use a different color. So you get 36 here. So what I add on the left-hand side, I will also have to add on the right-hand side. So what will become of this is, now x squared, that is a perfect square, plus the trinomial y squared minus 12y plus 36, that is a perfect square too. I'm going to factor that. That turns into y minus 6 quantity squared. The right-hand side becomes negative 20 plus 36, and that's 16. So from here I can identify what is h and k. Well, if you look at this, isn't x minus 0 the same thing as x squared? And y minus 6 squared is equal to 16. So now I know the center has to be 0, 6. And the radius, since r squared is equal to 16, the radius will have to equal to 4. So that's the center and radius. And which option would that be? So I'm looking for 0, 6 and r equal to 4, and that would be option 1.